excited to dive in.
Cheers.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I haven't vlogged in a while, especially travel vlogs, but we are going to Solo. We're on the train and I'm so excited. We haven't done trips in like years. We just happen to be here. It's gonna be a short trip. It's gonna be like only 3 days. It's gonna be so fun. True that. It is 6:47 a.m. We're taking the earliest ride, so we can spend a lot of time there. We have our coffees over there. We have a snack. We also have some breads and like baked potato. We are prepared.
We're arriving, and it was like 3 hours and 15 minutes drive for us. We did it.
We are on our way to a restaurant for lunch. We just dropped our bags at the hotel, but we couldn't check in yet because it's only 10 a.m. But we're getting hungry. Yes, I know it's a bit early for lunch, but I'm so excited because the restaurant is very interesting and I'll show you guys later. So we are currently at Manara Bistro. This is kind of like an Indonesian fusion restaurant. So they have some like Western influenced dishes, but every single dishes have Indonesian spin to it too. So it's pretty interesting. I'm gonna show you guys the menu. I'm telling you, look at the menu. I really want to try this one. And I also kind of vibe with the place. It's pretty cozy and honestly I'm most excited about trying this place throughout this whole trip. They have Christmas decorations up already. They have some outdoor space and an open kitchen. But unfortunately a lot of the things that we wanted to order is not available because they have an event today and we didn't know, we didn't check. But it's okay. Our first appetizer is here. I ordered this one and then this is her main. Look at this. This is kind of big actually. It looks so good. It smells so good. Second appetizer, by the way. What is this again? Nugget?
Chicken nugget with sambal mangga.
And this is my main course. I actually ordered something else, but it wasn't available. So I ordered this one instead. Okay, I'm excited to dive in. It looks so good. I'm actually gonna try the appetizer first.
Oh. Cheers.
It's kind of exactly what I expected it to taste like, but it's still really good. And like the balance is amazing. I mean, it looks like a chicken nugget. Yeah. We have checked in at the hotel, but don't worry, we didn't go straight to the hotel after lunch. We actually went to the Tumurun museum. Actually, I think it's more of an art gallery than a museum and it's a private one. There are obviously a lot of art pieces there, all by Indonesian artists. There were lots of different mediums for the art, like a lot of canvas, but with like oil paintings, crayons. Look at the detail. And actually a lot of 3D pieces too, some acrylic. We literally went through every single pieces and it took us almost 1.5 hours, so not that much time actually. It's not like a huge art gallery. We actually went through every single pieces and we read on the descriptions and actually tried to observe those art pieces and like try to understand it from our perspective. And we were actually amazed by the pieces there. Like a lot of them visually and artistically represent the stories that the artists try to tell, and a lot of them are about their emotional backgrounds and traumas and what they went through. We love this one. Yeah. A lot of the other pieces are about political issues. This one is amazing. Like, we agree that we really like this one. This is like the perfect visualization. and colonized indigenous people, and the ways those pieces were portrayed was like really, we were in awe. I definitely took some photos and videos of my favorite pieces. We had quite a good time there, and believe it or not, we actually didn't take much photos of ourselves there. We actually looked at the pieces, and I think that was just really fun. We have like 2 hours of free time right now because we might need some rest, and I actually filmed a room tour video. Okay, we have checked in at the hotel. Welcome to my crib. So I'm gonna do a room tour just for fun. We're staying at Pop Hotel, by the way. When we first came in, this is what it looks like. There's the sink on this side, and we can fill up the water
Jug
outside. This is the bathroom. It's actually bigger than I expected, like more roomy. We have like a couch area here, the bed. We requested for this double bed because if we want to watch something, that just would be more convenient, especially from my laptop.
The view. Show the view.
We're gonna watch some movies and we're gonna watch the race tomorrow. And let's see the view. Okay, it's just another building. Okay, it's raining outside. We're just gonna close it. Okay, here's the room.
Pretty okay, yeah.
This is so affordable, you guys. It's like $250 per night, so I'd say this is a good deal. We're gonna go out again later at 4:30-ish. Well, of course, you guys are gonna come along with me, so don't worry. I'm gonna show you everything that I'm gonna do. Yay! I decided to come to this place because it's giving Seoul, you know what I mean? Like, it's so traditional. This feels like our parents' go-to place, or maybe we're just getting older. This is like a traditional drink. It's all warm. It's actually hot. I don't exactly remember what it is. It has different spices in it, and this is tea with what? I also ordered some food. This one is rice. Kind of my dinner, but we also got some snacks.
We're walking to our next destination. It's a bit raining. It's like so close, like literally only 250 meters away. I think it's just ridiculous to order a taxi, you know? But unfortunately, it's not walkable.
Welcome to Lokananta. Welcome to my house. That sounds like an announcement.
We have purchased our tickets a few days before we got there because I wasn't sure how fast they sell out. My ticket was 35,000 rupiah and Belle's was 25 because she got the student price. We got the guided tour one, so it was an hour of guided tour and then another hour of free session. If you get the non-guided tour, you'll get 1 hour of free session only for the exact same price. So we thought, why not have a tour guide? We'll know better about the place, and there's also one room, which is the archives, that is not allowed to be accessed without a tour guide. This is the room, by the way. This place used to be a big record company in Indonesia. They produced vinyls, cassettes, worked with some of the biggest singers and artists in the country, but digital era happened and they had to pivot, so they turned this place into this museum which showcases their history and some of their most notable works, and I think they did a really great job at artistically displaying their past glories because this was a visually pleasing experience.
Cheers!
Oh, and by the way, the last room here, the one with lots of pinks and greens, is actually kind of like a seasonal room, so they switch up the theme and decorations periodically. They also have a record store. There was an event going on at the time, so it was pretty crowded. But thankfully, it ended not long after we entered because Belle wanted to buy a record and she could browse in peace. And we spent a lot of time there actually, but she ended up buying the Carpenter's album for 600,000 rupiahs. So that was a pretty good deal. This is a whole area, by the way. We went into this shop and there was a photo booth there, so of course we just had to. There are some coffee shops and restaurants too. Keep in mind, I'm going back here on day 2, so if you see the name Sawahita, it's in this area. We wanted to have a chill morning, so we just had our breakfast in our room while watching a movie. We're pretty big movie geeks, FYI, so this is our idea of a good time.
It took them like 5 minutes to serve us this one. It was very quick and it looks so good. Look at the portion on this one.
Oh my god.
She ordered the dirty odds, which is basically a dirty latte, but I ordered the good old iced oat latte. Sort of, but no soda. We are at our third coffee shop of the day. We're meeting a friend here. Our friend recommended this place. Belle recommended this place because this is kind of like a local sort of traditional fusion coffee shop. Now I ordered the black V60 coffee. I'm excited to try. Smell. I chose the coffee bean that has pandan kind of hints. I love pandan.
Yeah, you have a weird obsession with pandan.
This is probably the most traditional foods from Solo that we tried throughout this trip.
We're walking once again because we are those friends that are like, it's not too far, let's just walk. Because it really is not that far, it's like 1 kilometer away. Plus the weather is pretty nice, I guess.
We didn't get to walk a lot. It was raining.
Hey guys, I am wearing my Mercedes merch because we're about to watch the race. FYI, this is the final week of Formula 1 for this year. She's actually gonna wear her Williams shirt, and I know these teams are not championship contenders, but these are our teams. Anyways, I want to show you guys what we bought earlier. So we actually went to the mall because Belle wanted to buy some perfumes, and this is the name of the brand. Which one did you get again?
the orange citrus
blush, and also a body lotion, and this one smells like lemongrass and peppermint, which is very relaxing. And then we spent like an hour probably at the bookstore, which is kind of funny because it's not like we don't have Fairy Plus in Surabaya. I think it was just really fun that we were there together and we picked books together, and we haven't done that in a really long time. I bought Babel by R.F. Kuang. We're very excited to read these, and it's 10 minutes before the race. We are gonna log in like literally right now. We bought snacks. We are so ready and excited. Yay!
Starting grid is way diff for racing bulls. Piastri, championship leader for 15 rounds. Are you ready for this, ladies and gentlemen? Away we go, Westy wants it. No, he's trying to jockey his way past, but there is no way past. The top three all through in the same order. Goes a racing bull. Esteban over Ferrari driver trying to find a way past.
Because Leclerc's going to get another dose of DRS right now.
And Oscar Piastri.
Before we head home, we wanted to go to this iconic and famous market because there are supposedly a lot of good traditional foods here. So it's not the type of market that only sells vegetables and meats, but Belle got some traditional drinks. We had our breakfast there and something else for dessert. There are some interesting snacks too, but we were full after those two, so maybe next time. This is so much more spacious than I expected. Our daily dose of coffee. She got the like signature drink with palm sugar and milk, and I got the filtered coffee with local beans.
The cheers.
We have eaten so many iconic local foods while we're here, but this one was like the main thing for me. Like I was most excited about this. Like while I was planning, I didn't have a lot of things in mind, so I had to like really consider my options, but this was a sure thing. And I bought a box of 10 because I'm bringing this home for my family too, but I really want to dig into this like immediately. I really want to eat at least one right now. Literally there's no other. Like you could buy srabi in different cities, but it will not taste the same. Oh, they rolled them up and wrapped them in pandan leaves. Unfortunately they didn't cook them in their open kitchen. I really wanted to record the process, but they were pretty low-key about it. This is what it's supposed to look like, flat, but they rolled it up because it's just more convenient, I guess, to pack. Okay, let's dig in. So good. I think I just love like coconutty flavors, so this is like perfect, and it feels like it melts in your mouth. Anyways, I guess this is the end of our trip. I know it's a very short one, but I think it's been like a very refreshing quick getaway, and we purposely booked our train for like noon because then we will have some time to rest at home because tomorrow we'll have to go to work in the morning. But yeah, it's been really fun and I've missed vlogging, so I'm really glad that I brought my camera. Thank you for coming along with us, and thanks for watching this video. And if you're new here, I hope you subscribe and you'll get to see more of my videos, and we'll get to hang out virtually kind of on my YouTube channel. I'll see you on my next videos. Bye.